Hello everyone, today we are talking about the part 3 of the direction. Throughout this course, you will learn how to use the compass to measure the directions. Now, please turn to page 51 of your 2C textbook. Gary is a Boy Scout. He is now joining a treasure hunt in the country part. Okay, so Gary found the north of a compass here. So when you see the compass, the red pointer will always point to north. And then you have to draw another 3 directions on the board clockwise. There's a north, east, south, and west. Okay, then you can see the first question. The first question, the fish pond is to the which direction of the BBQ area. So I just see that's off. After off, you have to draw the direction board on it, which is the BBQ area. So in the BBQ area, you have to draw the direction board. There's a north, east, south, and then west. So you are at the BBQ area here, and you look at the fish pond, BBQ area. So along this direction, it should be east. So the fish pond is to the east of the BBQ area. Now I'll give you 30 seconds to finish the question 2B. Let's start. Okay, let's check the answer together. For the question 2B, the first A station is to the which direction of the chaos? So thus you have to think which place the first A station or the chaos you need to put the direction board on. As you check the sentence after off, it should become the chaos. So you have to put the direction board on the chaos like this. Alright, the direction should be the same with the compass that you see on the map. Okay, so you are at the chaos and you look at the first aid station. Look at the first aid station. So you can find that there's a east. So the first aid station is to the east of the chaos. Alright, the second question. The BBQ area is to the which direction of the chaos? So you are also at the kiosk and you look at the BBQ area. Okay, you are at the kiosk, look at the BBQ area, as you see that is a direction. It's north. So the BBQ area is to the north of kiosk. Okay, for the question 2C, I give you 10 seconds for you to read the question. Alright, before knowing where the treasure is, Gary has to first find the treasure tips. The treasure tips is placed to the west of the fish pond. So you have to draw the direction board on the fish pond like this. Okay, and then the sentence telling you that to the west of the fish pond. So you have to add an extended line here, so that according to this direction, it is the west of the fish pond. And also, The treasure tips is to the north of the first aid station. So same way before, you have to draw the direction board on the first aid station like this, and to the north of the first aid station. So you add the extended lines to the north of the first aid station. So after you draw these two lines, and you will find that there's a place here in as an intersection point between these two dotted lines. So the answer for this question, it is the flower bed. Alright, for the question 2D, before I told you how to do it, I would like to give you around 1 minute for you to read the question and think how to deal with the question first. Alright, time's up. Let's check the answer together. So Gary start hunting the treasure from the flower bed. So first you have to draw the direction board on the flower bed, and he goes which direction to which the BBQ area. Alright, the Gary is at the flower bed and he needs to go to the BBQ area. So should be go west to reach the BBQ area. After Gary reached the BBQ area, you also have to draw the direction board on the BBQ area. So, and then he goes which direction to kiosk. So, from the BBQ area to kiosk, it should be south. So he goes south to kiosk. So after go kiosk, he still need to go another direction. So you also have to draw the direction board on kiosk. Okay, after you draw the direction board, as you see that the question, go west. Alright, go west should be on this direction, and then Gary will reach the playground. So you circle the playground as the answer. So finally, he turned right, alright, by a right angle. So at the playground here, you also have to draw the direction board. And after Gary go playground, Gary should face to the west. And then he turned right by a right angle. And he's now facing to the north. Alright, and then he goes straight to reach the root and find the treasure at last. Okay, so after that, if the question asking you to draw the route to show the direction, with your color pen, it should be from flower bed to BBQ area, and then go to kiosk, go playground, finally go to the route. That is the end of the part 3 of the direction. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.